Hey there, East. Have you ever wondered why this wall is here? All of that and more will be explained in this second installment of our renovations video. To start off this tour, we will begin right here at this wall. It's very simple. This wall is a mock-up. Its purpose is to test the pattern and coloration of the bricks on the addition on East to make sure it matches with the previous East. They're going to finish this up by putting bricks on it, and they're going to test the way it's affected by lighting. As you can see, a lot of progress has been made to the outside of East since the last time we made a video. Right now I'm standing in the opening to the outside where the science wing is going to come out. Before long, they're going to pour the concrete, they're going to build the steel skeleton for the structure, and it's going to be very soon before this building starts taking shape. What we're walking through right now is what's going to be the main hallway that's going to consist of this entire wing. Basically, they've poured the base of what is going to be the floor. All of the piping has been put in, as well as all of the exterior walls, so they have a perimeter of what's going to be this entire wing. And as I'm walking in from the future science wing, over to my right is basically where the house office and guidance offices will be. And then if I wrap around all the way to the left, we have some windows here. These frames should look pretty familiar to you, the same as in the rest of the buildings, and a doorway into what's going to be a future computer lab. Continuing down the hallway, to my left is the tech room. This area will be mainly where all of the machines are kept. And as you continue all the way down here, we have a huge tech education facility that's going to be in this new wing. This entire wall, all the way down this room, is going to be windows. Finally, we have windows in our building. This area is still the tech room. And walking through this doorway, we have even more tech. This is going to be the CAD lab where all the computers are, and it's going to be pretty impressive because we're going to have quite an emphasis in our new curriculum on things like bionics and robots. It'll be pretty cool. And then right next to the tech doorway is the media room doorway. If we go down here, as you can see, it's a much larger facility than what it used to be. We have where the filming is going to take place, and then an entire window area to a silent sound and switchboard area, which is going to be here. And this half of the room is going to be the editing stations where all the computers are. And now we're entering the bathrooms. One of the new features about our new school's bathrooms is the waterless urinals, which will save H2O and be better for the environment. And inside here is the HVAC room. This huge equipment is the most efficient HVAC equipment that you can buy that's on the market today. We're going to have the entire system powered by the solar panels that will be on the roof, so we can completely generate our own heating and air conditioning for the school. If you remembered, this is the door that we walked in our first video. As you can see, a lot has happened since the last time we made a video. More old walls have been coming down, and there's been a lot of additions to the ceiling. If you pan up, you will see all the ventilation that's new, as well as all the silver piping for electricity and the sprinkler system. And from this area, all the way down this hall, this giant room is going to be where Family Consumer Science is. So, very large Family Consumer Science area, as well as a huge space for an addition of more windows. And the rest of this hallway upstairs is mainly going to consist of some smaller computer labs, as well as some more offices and a couple more classrooms. And finally, for upstairs, this hallway that we've been viewing will continue out into the science wing of the second floor. Alright guys, I hope you learned something from this video. I hope it was informative and also at least a little bit entertaining. Thank you guys for watching, and now you know a little bit about the East renovation.